We love technology, and with so many things connected to our Wi-Fi, which if you were connected, this will be a nice little blue Wi-Fi symbol, and you would connect to your Wi-Fi at the settings area. Mine is network, so once I do that, I will be connected. And it is a good thing to be connected to your Wi-Fi for a couple things. Number one, it is how you can download designs directly from your computer via the MySoNet, and it will just show your embroidery designs can just be transferred to the machine, kind of in air, instead of having to put them on a USB stick. But the other thing that happens when you're connected to Wi-Fi is when this machine has updates from the company, maybe some new patterns, new stitches, some new designs that they're adding to it, or even just some basic back-end fixes, just like your cell phone. When you look at your phone and it says, by the way, you have an update, do you want to update now or later? You will have that choice, and it'll pop up when you turn your machine on. Update now will allow you to download the update and continue sewing. So then when it has downloaded, it will ask you to turn your machine off and on, so you just do what you're told on screen. But the key is why I'm talking about this in this video is when you are doing an update, and it is currently updating, and it will show a little update feature on the screen, do not turn the machine off. Let it finish. Depending on your Wi-Fi and height and speed of your internet, it might take a few minutes and it might take longer, but just leave the machine on. If you need to, leave it on overnight, let it do its thing, and it should take care of it. If you don't want to do the update right away, you're sewing, no problem. Just say update later or remind me later. It'll just be that easy. So next time it turns on, it'll say, would you like to update? So very easy to do. Just the key is don't turn it off in the middle of the update, which is nice. So connect yourself to your Wi-Fi, get your MySoNet account started. You can do that on your computer, and then you'll be able to have all those wonderful features that this machine is capable of.